Hello, my dear students. Welcome back. I hope you all are perfectly fine and taking care of yourself and your family. Children, today I am here with an interesting chapter, that is chapter number 7, Adverbs of Time. Before starting the chapter, I would like to request you all to open your grammar books because during explanation it will become easy for you all to understand the topic nicely. Students, we have learned about adverbs in grade 1 and 2. Can you all tell me what are adverbs? An adverb is a word that tells something more about a verb. In other words, we can say that an adverb is a word that modifies a verb, an adjective, another adverb, or even a whole sentence. An adverb tells how, where, or when an action happens. Some common adverbs are daily, somewhere, quickly, everywhere, calmly, regularly, nowhere, freely, silently, near, soon, etc. An adverb never describes a noun or a pronoun. Now children, let's see types of adverb. First, adverbs of time. Second, adverbs of place. Third, adverbs of manner. Fourth, adverbs of degree. And fifth one is adverbs of frequency. Now students, this chapter is all about adverbs of time. Now we will study about adverb of time in detail. An adverb of time tells us when an action happened. So children, adverbs that change or qualify the meaning of a sentence by telling us when things happen are defined as adverbs of time. An adverb of time is just what you might expect it to be. A word that describes when, for how long, or how often a certain action happened. They are adverbs that answer the question when. Here are some common adverbs of time. Now, yesterday, today, later, tomorrow, last week, tonight, last year, earlier, soon. Now, let us use them in a sentence. He will go home now. So here in this example, now is an adverb of time and it also answers the question when. That is, when will he go home? So answer is, he will go home now. Mom bought this yesterday. Now here, when did mom buy this? The given example answers the question when. So yesterday is an adverb of time in the given sentence. Mr. Ramos will give a test today. Here also, in the given example, it answers the question when. So the word today is an adverb of time in the given example. Diane will bake a pie later. In this example, later is an adverb of time and it also answers the question when. Now students, it's time for an activity. You have to do this activity in your rough copy. Complete each sentence with an appropriate adverb of time. First, my uncle will come by train. Second, Jane hasn't left for the party dash. Third, I cleaned the attic dash. Fourth, Kevin works as a teacher dash. Fifth, Matt will be black dash. Sixth, she pays her car insurance dash. Seventh, Valerie is going to Chicago dash. Eighth, we stayed at a beach resort dash. Ninth, I have never seen him dash. 10th, Grace volunteered at the local library dash. So, Students, I hope you all have understood the chapter nicely. Revise it from your book. Stay home, stay safe. Thank you.